Okay, good evening, student. Let's see the fifth unit prose, the chair. It was written by Ki Rajan Narayanan. Already I told that about the author introduction. Student, everyone must know the author introduction about Ki Rajan Narayanan because it is very important to everyone because this is a new lesson. This is the first year they given this lesson, the chair. So you know about this Rajan Narayanan, about the author. It's very important to you. Okay. Yesterday in the last class we saw that uh, they are discussing about the chair in the house. Actually in the house there is no chair. Suddenly this is the discussion is going on in the house. At the time the author Rajan Narayanan, his best friend is came to his house. Actually he is a subject. He came there, and at that moment he is wearing just for shoot boot. Shoot boot, already I told that it means wearing a coat and shoot is called a shoot boot, but he is not wearing vesty and shirt. uh, then he came there in this house. Suddenly he's going to sit. There is no chair in his house. They only seen that three-legged stool only. Actually it is used to the churn the grandma is using the churn curd. Churn curd, already I told you that it is making the buttermilk. So now actually this also made up of this is only for made up of his grandmother, the author's grandmother, because she is very uh, fat. And also they informed to the carpenter to make the chair into a something broader. It is happened in the last class. Okay, now continue that. The subject two was a little portly. So portly is nothing. It is a fat. It is up to the only for male. Okay. Actually the subject also was a little bit fat. Then since we didn't possess any other furniture, we brought that for him. So actually here in the author's house there is no any furnitures except the three-legged stool. Already I told that three-legged stool is nothing. It is the only for three legs. It is used for the making the churn curd. Tamil we say that the three-legged stool is the Mukali, but in this house we didn't possess any other furniture. We refers to author and his brother and sisters. Is the we refer here. Oh, there is no furniture in their house, so we brought that for him. So they plan to bring the stool to the church, then placing one hand on its edge. Actually now the judge is going to sit on the stool, the three-legged stool. Just he placed his one hand on its edge. Edge is nothing, and the stool's edge. He made to sit down. He planned to going to sit in the three-legged stool. One wretched thing about this stool, but in the stool have some bad thing, because if you didn't place the weight exactly above the legs, but it would topple over. Topple over is nothing. It is a fell down, slipper. It means okay. Now in that stool has some bad thing. What is the bad thing means? Those who are going to sit on the stool, we want to be sit directly to the stool, then only it will hold this the weight. Because if you are going to keep your hand in the edge or leg, everything, you can go and sit indirectly means, sorry, directly means it will topple over, it will sometime fell down. That way that stool was made it. Okay. Ever so many times we had fallen down when we stood on it carelessly to steal ghee from the roof net. Okay. Now see, every so many times is nothing. For every times We refers to the author and his sister and his brother had fallen down. Many times they are fell down from the three-legged stool. Then, when we stood on it carelessly, many times they are stood on the stool carelessly. They fell down, and also they used the stool to steal the ghee from the rope net. Rope net is nothing actually. In the olden days, they are keeping the uh, ghee in the rope net, rope in a pot. They are in olden days they are keeping the rope. It called actually rope net is nothing. Uri, in Tamil we say that. In that rope net they kept some pots in according to this safe. First they kept that a big pot, and then small next for small big, and then for small little bit smaller for each and every roadway they will keep that in the rope net. Rope net is nothing. In Tamil we say that uri. While in you know about that Krishna actually while he was a child he is always taking his just take that ghee from the rope net only, like that here also the three children when they were children. So like that author given, they refers to the author and his brother and his sister. Okay, they are taking stealing the ghee from the rope net. They carelessly sit on the stool. They will fell down from the stool, like that they informing here. Poor thing, just as we were about to caution the subjects, he fell down with a thud and rolled over. But at the time they are poor things. They we refers to the author and their brother and sister. They are going to inform about this incident, the caution the subject. They going to stop the judge going to fell down. Already he sat on the stool. He fell down with a thud, making so much of sound, and rolled over and fell on the floor. And just he was rolling because he was fell down from the stool with making a thud, making a sound. Me, my brother, and my littlest sister. So now only the author introduced about his himself and his brother, and also his littlest sister is nothing. Is a small sister. Couldn't contain our giggles. Giggles is nothing. Smile. The three children are sorry. The three of them are making smile because the judge was fell down, and also making some sound while he was fell on the floor, and also he was just rolling over the floor. At the moment author and his brother and also the little sister, they are smiling. They can't able to control his smile. So we ran to the background. So they both of them they ran into the back of the house. And they went to the garden. And because why they are went the garden means because we in front of the guests, they are not the smiling is not actually is not innocent. It's not a it is not a decent one. So it is a innocent one. So they plan to go back about in the house. Just as we thought, our chickles as I think it is a giggle smile had subside. From one side they are making one side they are smiling. Our sister would mimic is nothing, just act like a mimicry. The subjects are leaning her hand and rolling on the floor. They couldn't control their smile, even though his sister also just acting like how the judge is going, how the judge is sat on the stool and how he was rolling on the floor, like that he was mimicry to in front of the brothers. So it was making so much of smile. So they are smiling very much. So they couldn't be able to control his smile. And our laughter only lengthened. So the mimicry makes his laughter it was going lengthwisely. It means it was continuously it was going. They weren't able to stop his smile. so it's called the lengthen. Okay. Next, see the next paragraph. There was another reason for our giggles. The memory of our parents suppressing their giggles in front of the guest who had tumbled over. So now one more reason is they couldn't able to control his giggles. Giggles is nothing, smile. Already they are making so much of smile. Sorry, already they were smiling because the judge was fell on the floor. He was just rolling in the floor. It seems to the author and his brother and his little sister are they couldn't control his smile, and also the his sister is just acting like how the judge was rolling on the floor, and also how his acting is in the at that moment he was making so much of smile. So the laughter is going lengthwise, it means continuously. Then one more reason is for making the giggles, the memory of our parents suppressing the giggles. Now the memory of the parents were actually the parents informed to the author and his brother and the little sister, don't be smile in front of the guest. So actually guest is arrived in our house, don't be smile in front of the guest. And the parents also who had tumbled over, actually the parents also they are controlling their smile. So it seems to the author and the brother and his sister making so much of smile because they couldn't able to smile in front of the guest, even though they have the smile in his heart, in his mind, but it shows making little bit extra smile for the author and the brother and sister. Okay, now see the next paragraph. So when we finished laughing and everyone's big off and pussyfoot into the house, the stout guest was not to be seen. Okay. So when we finished laughing, so after finishing their laughing, we refers to the author and his brother and sister. After finishing their laughing, and everyone's big off and pussyfooted into the house. So on the behalf of everyone's, they are entering. The pussyfoot is nothing. They are entering into the house like a cat. How the cat is walking, like that they are slowly walking and entering into the house. The stout guest was not to be seen. The stout guest is nothing. Stout also the other word for the fat person. So already they given two word. One is a portly. Portly is nothing. Fat. The word is apt to the only for male. And then now they given the stout guest. Stout guest also it is the fat. Okay. Fat guest was not to be seen. After finishing their laughing, they for everyone's behalf of they enter into the house like how the cat is walking, like that they are entering into the house like very silently, very slowly. When they enter into the house, at that moment the guest was not seen in the house. Then and neither was the stool, and also there was no stool also. Did he take it away with him? Asked my sister to me. At that moment, the author's sister asked to the author. So the guest also is not there, and also the stool also not here. So it means the guest. I think the guest take the stool with him, and he left the house like that. The author asked to the author. After this incident, it was decided that a chair would be made for our home. So after this incident, they are going to make a chair. The chair is very in need to the house. After this incident, it was decided. So the family members decided to a chair would be made for our home. So they plan to get a new chair for their home. The one practical difficulty in getting it made was that there wasn't a single chair in our village to show as a model, and also had some difficulties to buy the chair. What are the difficulties is there means the one practical difficulty in the, there are some problem in getting the model in getting the chair. it made what it made was that there wasn't a single chair in our village. So in their village there is no chair in this village, because the carpenter is going to see the model how they are going to make the chair. So he want to show a model for a chair. There is no chair to see in the house in their village also. Besides, there wasn't a single carpenter either who knew how to make one, and also there is no one carpenter is know about how to make the chair, because if they are going to they are ready to make the chair means they need to they need a model chair also, and also there is no chair in the village also. So and also there is no carpenter to make a chair. Okay, next see. No problem, we can buy one from the town, suggested my brother uh, Peddana. So now the Peddana is nothing, big brother. It means Periyanna. No problem. There is no carpenter and also there is no chair in a village. So we can buy one from the town. We can go to the town and buy the chair from the town. Like that, the brother Peddana suggested to the author and the sister and his parents. Our father rejected it, but saying it wouldn't be study. So, the Pedana suggested to them, but actually our parents was rejected. They are not accepted the Pedana's suggestion, because if you going to buy the chair from the town, it is not a wouldn't be study. Study is nothing strong. Actually, while buying the ready-made chair, it is not strong. It was very soft. So we could not able to buy the chair from the town. Like that, his father rejected it. Attai, our next see that Attai, our aunt, said that there was a skilled carpenter in the neighboring village. So now now is the author's Attai grandmother's grand sorry the author's aunt means it is the author's dad's sister is called our aunt. So Attai we called in Tamil. Our aunt said that there was a skilled carpenter in the neighboring village. Now that his aunt just suggestion to the author and his family members, there is a one carpenter in the neighboring village to the Attai, and that there wasn't a chair he hadn't made, and also the carpenter can know every chair how to make. He had so much skills, and also he know all the chairs how to make it. Without a chair he don't know. So every chair he know how to make, and also the governor himself had praised him, and also the governor also praised the carpenter, because the carpenter had so much of skill. So he know all the chairs how to make it. So the governor itself praised the carpenter. Like that, Atta given the suggestion to the family members. When my mother heard my aunt's second sentence, he turned her face as if to say, yes, yes, she's seen everything. Now, while everyone they are just listening their aunt's opinion, but his mother, the author's mother, just hearing the author's aunt's second sentence. Second sentence refers to the governor himself had praised him. This is the second sentence about the second above paragraph. So his aunt, the author's aunt, given two sentences. One is that there wasn't a chair he hadn't made. This is the first sentence, and that the governor himself had praised him. This is the second sentence. So while hearing this second sentence, his mother she turned her face. Simply, the author's mother turned his face as if to say, and also she's just thinking herself, Yes, yes, he's seen everything. Oh, it means he's just ironically he told himself, she know everything like that. She telling herself. Okay, see the next one. My father called a worker, dispatched him to the carpenter's village, and came and sat with us. Now there was discussion on the kind of wood to be used for the chair. Okay. Now the author's father called a worker from this house, and dispatcher is nothing. Just send the carpenter to the carpenter's village near the Hans village, and bring the carpenter, and came and sat with us. With us refers to the author and his brother and sisters. Nearby the author and sister, brother sister, his father came and sat nearby the author's family, and also the father sent the worker to bring the carpenter in the nearest village. Now there was a discussion. Now they are discussing about what kind of wood. It means there are so many kinds of wood is going to make a chair. So they are discussing about that what kind of wood is to be used for the making a chair. Like that, the discussion is going on. Okay, student, we will continue the next lesson in the next class. Thank you.